all lost a year of our lives. We've missed moments with our family, friends, and peers. Our educational journeys have been slowed down or stopped altogether. Many of us have lost jobs and have been put into a financially unstable position. Will taking the vaccine put an end to the prolonged suffering and wasted time that we are being forced to endure? This pandemic has changed our lives. Jobs have been lost, schools are shut down, and ICUs are below the recommended bed capacity. I believe that the longer this pandemic lasts, the more people will suffer. Schools are now remaining closed, with online learning being the only option. Non-essential businesses are yet again being ordered to close. Medical staff are overworked, and we again have a lack of resources available to care for the large quantity of sick people. In the US, we have a total of 16.4 million cases confirmed of COVID-19 and almost 300,000 deaths. Comparatively, 2,600 people died on 9/11, a national holiday that we hold to mourn our people's death in a terrorist attack. Because of how easily this disease spreads, we have been ordered to reduce the amount of human contact and group gathering. This is the reason why we can't open schools or open businesses that do not provide resources that are essential to survival. If we continue to let this virus spread at such a fast rate, we risk the chance that more people will die. Jobs will continue to be lost, and education opportunities will resume their subpar state. And the resources that they provide, such as food, safety, and hands-on learning, with the necessary support needed, will be lost for millions of children across the country. Some people may be skeptical or opposed to getting the COVID-19 vaccine. They may believe that the vaccine could infect them with the virus, or that they could test positive for COVID-19. Both of these claims are told to be false by the Centers for Disease Control. I believe that we need the vaccine. I think that the proposed solution given by medical and health professionals is the correct route to follow. The general public needs to be vaccinated. Since we still have many individuals and groups opposing the rules given to social distance, wash your hands, and wear masks, I believe that having a vaccine will be the only chance we have to go back to a more normal functioning society. According to the Centers for Disease Control, from a study through 2009 through 2019, the seasonal flu vaccine, on average in the US, is 43% effective. If we had the same effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine and everyone was vaccinated, we could have almost half of our population protected from getting the virus and spreading it to others. People who take the vaccine may experience slight symptoms of the virus, such as a fever, but that means that your body is building an immunity to the virus. Having an immunity and experiencing mild symptoms is way better than experiencing combined symptoms and long-term effects brought on by the virus. If we do not take the needed steps to defeat the spread of this virus, our people will continue to die. Our children will not have the necessary resources to flourish, and we will lose more of our lives waiting for the pandemic to be over. It is crucial, even after being vaccinated, to wear a mask and protect those around you. We must protect those at risk from falling ill and reduce the spread to families across the country. If we follow the orders given by healthcare professionals, we will be able to reopen sooner and aid our workers, unemployed citizens, and children across the country. Wearing a mask, washing your hands, social distancing, and getting vaccinated are the most important actions we can take to save lives and protect our communities. Overall, the vaccine is a necessary step to protecting the health of our communities and those at risk. After we have reduced the spread of the disease in a safe manner, we will be able to reopen, and the resources that are essential to children and workers will be available for those who need them most.